Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be installing the rear Spats on the car. These are the new ones, or these are the OLM rear Spats. It should be a quick install. It's pretty easy. It's one clip, a couple screws, and double-sided tape. So I just cleaned up the area. It's pretty dirty. As you can see, this side's already clean. The other side, compared to, hopefully you guys can see on the camera, but like super dirty. So that's pretty much how it's gonna sit. Just gotta take off some clips and throw the screws on and take out the double-sided tape with all them. So these are what it comes with: a couple extra screws, some screw washers, and some new clips on it. Alright, so I got a test fitted on. Just gonna take off the glue and throw everything on. Alright, so I just pretty much got this installed. I just need to screw in, tap in the screw on near the ridge area. Just need to tap it in here, get the supply screw, screw in the two holes right there, and pretty much then, right now it's held by double-sided tape, so it's pretty much firm in place now. Just gotta do the other side, but it looks pretty good. So I only got one screw in. I'm gonna do it the other one later. I don't have any jacks, so I can't jack up the car and take out the wood and screw in the other one. So I'm gonna do that one later. Just go. So I just finished this side. Just gotta finish the same side too. Get the screw in on the top part, but I can't reach it, so I gotta take out the wheel. I'll do that some other time. Alright, so I just finished installing the rear Spats. It's the driver's side and the passenger side. The same thing. Just gotta finish. I'll do it on this side since it's kind of dark on that. Just gotta, same thing with the other side. Just gotta screw it in the other screw. Can't really fit my screwdriver in there, so I'm only able to screw in one. So I just gotta screw in the other one. But other than that, pretty much this is just me installing a quick video of me installing the rear Spats. So yeah, just stay tuned for the side skirts and the front lip install, which gotta figure out how to do that one, but this one's pretty easy, so it's quick. So you want to stay updated on the build, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned on the update. Peace.